to Housekeeping and Maintenance. For detailed information about how to complete this course and use all of its features, select Help. To proceed through this course, select the Next button. OSHA requires employers to provide their employees with a safe environment to work. While engineering controls like drainage, lighting, and guarding may be put in place to help safeguard employees, workplace hazards may still exist. Effective housekeeping and proper maintenance procedures can help protect employees from these hazards, creating a safer work environment. This course is designed to help you recognize, avoid, report, and eliminate hazards. Specifically, it will teach you to take the proper housekeeping and maintenance measures to ensure your safety and the safety of others in the workplace. After completing this course, you will be able to identify various potential housekeeping and maintenance hazards in the workplace, explain proper housekeeping techniques to help eliminate dangers, define preventive and corrective maintenance, and discuss how to perform each, and describe how to report housekeeping and maintenance hazards in the workplace.